When it's time to get your windows cleaned, or you're in need of professional power washing services, there's only one company to call: A+ Professional Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing. We are a 5-star rated company through all of our customers on Google and ServiceMagic. We are located in Stormville, New York, conveniently located to service Dutchess, Putnam, and Westchester counties of New York, and also Western Connecticut. We are equipped to service a small home up to a large commercial building. At A+, we are so confident in our technicians and window cleaning service that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. For power washing, we use our own specially formulated detergent, aptly named Mildew Defense Detergent. A+ is the only authorized user and distributor of Mildew Defense Detergent. Our special blend of cleaners and mildew inhibitors ensures a long-lasting clean on your home. Along with our detergent, we offer a 1-year guarantee that no mold or mildew will reappear on your home, or we'll come and wash the affected area free of charge. Please give us a call for a free, no-obligation estimate. Our telephone number is 845-282-2822, and you can visit us on the web at www.windowcleaningny.com.